if I don't, I don't know. Let's go.
It's Maddie's vlogs and connected to that right there. This would be perfect. Mama, would you let me wear these shorts? Would she let me wear these shorts?
That's a nice little short. Just don't know what's
I like this shirt or dress or shirt. Let's stick with that. Oh, let's get some sneakers.
Girl, get out of these things. I'm sick of wearing these shoes.
Hey, Mom. You want to work for the gymnast institution? Oh, Mama, these are cute. Guys, please tell me these are cute. Like,
These pants are capris.
I'll get you then. I see how you feel. Oh, I can definitely wear these.
Yeah. They got 2X.
This is doing a vlog, if you cared. Do you put shades in the building?
Oh, this period 11:20. Let's go.
Okay. The reason I moved you guys was because there was a camera. I mean, the girl right there.
I need those.
Going my video. I don't know. Sorry, I'm talking in the mic. Ooh, Mama, come on, we can set this up.
I need my lamp.
Let's get a cool.
Can't do without my lamp.
It's a cool master fan. That's broke, isn't it? Oh, it's a lamp. Ooh.
There was something else I wanted.
Ooh, I didn't have school today, so all I did was get bothered by my grandparents because my mom had to work. Thank you. Gotta put you in my pocket right now. You'll get the experience. But I mean, who cares?
We're gonna sit and eat our ice cream.
Ooh.
Come on, girl.
No, because we gotta get Granny's ice cream.
I know we get her. Go back in line to get her.
Oh, they got a hole in the ceiling. Oh, put your sunglasses on, Mama. I gotta charge my phone. Okay, so we finally got a new lamp. I said we finally got a new lamp.
Oh no! I gotta find the other one though. I got a lampshade. So when I see the wire one, I'm gonna buy that one too. But I got a lampshade to go on that one.
And ooh. Sorry, guys, don't make them. Come on, let's go to school. Take me to school. Ooh, girl, I would get disqualified for this. Yo, it be like, you gonna put on some pants today? I'll be like, no, I upset. I want. See, there's always something that we forget and never.
I gotta write it down. Right now.
Well, we'll get some hangers tomorrow. I will get right back to you guys as soon as we get to Dairy Queen. Toodaloo. For now. For yeah. For. So, well, right now it's Saturday night, almost Sunday, because it's 10:40. But you know, an hour left. But so I did not. We unfortunately didn't get ice cream because they ran out of vanilla. Ooh, excuse me. I'm talking to my cousin Saraya. Okay, I guess she doesn't want to be on camera. But like I said, we didn't get ice cream because they didn't have from yesterday because they didn't have freaking vanilla. So I got slushy instead. So, and plus my phone was dying as well. So I didn't want to waste that battery. Because we had to go somewhere else. We had to go to CVS or whatever. And so, yeah. And I'm just speaking now and telling you all the deets of what happened. So, yeah. Okay. Bye. Hope you liked the intro. I said bye.